In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the activity stream for a folder in Google Drive on the desktop, specifically using the web version. Now, let's get started on how you can keep track of all the actions taken within your folders. This handy tool is perfect for those of us who like to stay organized or need to monitor changes in shared documents and files closely. First things first, you'll want to head over to your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. From there, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. Make sure to use your Google credentials to access your Drive. This ensures you have full access to your files and folders. Once you're signed in, the next step is to find the specific folder whose activity you want to inspect. It could be anything from a work project to a personal collection of documents, whatever it is that you're curious about. Remember, you don't need to open the folder itself. Just locate it in your list of files and click once to select it. This initial selection is key to accessing further details about the folder activity. With your folder now selected, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You should see an icon that either looks like the letter I in a small circle, this is commonly referred to as the info icon, or you might see the option labeled as the Details pane. Clicking on this will open up a new pane on the right side of your screen. In this pane, you'll notice a couple of tabs. What you're looking for here is the Activity tab. Go ahead and switch to that tab, and you'll be presented with the recent actions taken within that specific folder. The activities displayed can include a variety of actions like moving files, renaming them, deleting, sharing or unsharing, and even editing. This provides a comprehensive overview of what's been happening with your files. If you're curious about specific changes or just want to see everything that's gone on in your folder, scroll through the list. You'll find timestamps indicating when actions were taken, the usernames of who performed these actions, provided they're visible, and detailed descriptions of what exactly was done. Now, here's an optional yet useful tip if you're looking for something more specific. If you need to filter or search for activity based on a certain time range or by particular users, you might consider utilizing the folder's search feature. Additionally, if you hold administrative privileges, the admin log can be a great resource for delving into more detailed activities. This option can give you access to more comprehensive search capabilities, ensuring you find exactly what you need. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently monitor and understand your folder activities in Google Drive. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide both helpful and easy to follow.